Where are we?
I don't know, I just see pink.
Oh. Where are we?
I think we might be in
Are we on stage?
We might be in at the bank.
Oh. Are we on stage?
I think so.
We're still outside.
Yeah. Oh, I think we're outside.
Are we?
I think the hills are alive with the sound of music and all.
Do we hear the birdies?
Doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. It's very quiet.
Jeez.
Yes.
Yes. There's the birdies. Where are we? Are we outside?
I think we're outside.
Oh.
I
can't tell.
I might need to relieve myself.
Oh.
Outside.
Oh. I won't look. Oh.
Yeah, alright.
Oh.
Oh, just a second.
Oh. Are you good?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Water.
Okay. Water?
Yes.
You have water?
I do have water.
Oh. I'm thirsty. Drink. So,
would you like to go for a run?
we could.
Well, I don't have any legs.
Oh. No, me either.
So, maybe we shouldn't.
Oh, we could roll.
Yeah, I think I might get rid of that.
Like this. Where are we?
I think we're at the top of the hill now.
Oh.
You seem to have rolled uphill. It's an anomaly. Hill rolling, you know. But we are upside down.
Oh. What?
I think we're upside down.
Oh.
We're pretending to be.
You might be right. Ah. Oh. Ha. Oh. Where are we?
I think we're still at the top of the hill.
Oh.
I don't think we've moved. We're still here.
Oh.
Where are we?
Oh. I don't know. I've been asking you that
Yeah.
all this time.
I can't see. I've got something over my face.
Oh. 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 So somebody, where are we?
Huh. Won't you ask that bird over there?
Okay, hello! Hello, where are we?
We're in the mountains of Switzerland.
Oh, we're in the Swiss mountains.
Yeah. Why do you like the mountains? Oh, a dear, a female deer. Blah, 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 blah. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know the rest.
Oh, no,
I'm English.
I don't know it at all.
I'm not Swiss.
I'm
from England.
I'm a mix of Irish and caveman.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just a bit scary.
Oh.
I didn't know that there was still cavemen other than commercial.
Oh.
Oh, I don't want to offend you.
No. No offense. So, where are we?
Well, I think we're at the top of the hill.
Oh.
Happy Easter.
Oh, happy Easter.
Yeah.
What do you see?
I don't see anything on my chin. I think my eyes are painted on, so I can't really see much.
I can see.
I can see for miles and miles.
Yes.
And miles.
In miles.
Goodbye.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Maybe we should, I don't know, sing a Switzerland song. Like...
Would you like some root beer?
Root beer? No.
No. I would like some, but the lid was on and I couldn't drink it.
Oh. Yes. Are you ready to get off the mountain?
I think so.
Oh, where do you want to go?
I'm looking down and I think I see some sky.
Some what?
Some sky.
Oh, some sky.
Yes.
Oh, it's so blue. You smell it?
No.
No, me either. You know why?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think it's because of their chins.
Yes. I don't have a nose. It's drawn on
Oh,
also.
right. Right? Yes.
Yeah, right.
Right.
I think I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah,
It
right.
was a good venture.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Here we go.
Hey, goodbye.
Bye bye.
Let's wave.